Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines for 13th of May. And first of all, national news. Cheating case filed against Chhattisgarh Ranji team captain Harpreet Singh Bhatia for allegedly getting job. The Allahabad High Court today rejected a petition seeking an inquiry into the history of Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal's 22 doors stay locked. Issue should be left with historians. Quote. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla Thursday emphasized on the need to prepare action plan for Northeast based on its challenges. Elections to 52 Rajya Sabha seats spread across 15 states will take place on June 10. An election commission official has said. Rupee falls 15 paise to settle at 77.40 against US dollar on Thursday. Tata Sons has announced the appointment of Campbell Wilson as the new chief executive officer and managing director of Air India. And now some international news. Ranil Wickremesinghe may return as Lankan PM amid crisis. He has served as the country's prime minister 4 times. Sri Lanka's President Gotabaya Rajapakse is set to name a new prime minister to replace his brother as the country battles an economic crisis. Former Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapakse was banned from leaving the country after his supporters attacked protesters. Security forces have been given orders to shoot looters on sight. The United States has crossed the threshold of 1 million deaths from COVID, the White House said on Thursday. North Korea has fired 3 ballistic missiles, Seoul's military said on Thursday, hours after Pyongyang announced the country's first ever cases of COVID 19. 2 Class 5 students of a school in the United States have been hospitalized after consuming marijuana edibles. And now some sports news. Ukrainian climber Antonina Samoilova summits Everest for her people as records stumble. Shaheen Afridi off to Pakistan for West Indies series after successful stint in county championship. UAE's T20 League on Thursday announced that the Knight Riders Group has acquired the rights to own and operate the Abu Dhabi franchise and will set up Abu Dhabi Knight Riders. And now let's have a look on weather. The weather in India on 13th of May will be very hot with temperatures reaching 31 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, the temperatures will drop to 29 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.